Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2021 Kubota LX2610 tractor loader package here in Osceola, Wisconsin. We traded it in from a guy. Not sure if he was just north of us a few miles, but this tractor is in very, very nice shape. I think it's a little less than 130 hours. The bucket looks like it's hardly ever been used. The R4 tires, it's got a third function valve on it. There's the outlets for the third function. There's the valve for it, and then it's on the triggered with the on the lever of the for the loader. It does have a ballast box with it, 3-point PTO, rear valve on the back. Hydrostatic transmission, cab, heat and air. It's got 3 ranges, low, medium, high. This is always an indicator to me that it's not been beat up. The stair step is perfect shape. Again, cab looks really nice inside, very clean. We traded it in with a snowblower. That is a separate item, but if you want a package, we certainly would be able to talk to you about that. Here's the machine fired up. There's a little scratch on the hood. Not bad, but minor. There's the bucket. Doesn't look like it's got any twists or turns to it. We're medium range right now. It looks like it's even got the Kubota handle. Steering wheel. Oh, no radio. Air works. It's kind of a warm day here in Osceola, Wisconsin. So that's our tractor. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.